Good morning, everyone. Welcome aboard. My name is Joseph James. Here's your live trading recap, December 9th, 2010. Happy Thursday to you guys. Boy, another great day. We had our third day this week. Over 300 ticks in the room today, guys. I obviously didn't expect to have such a great day today. We had a great day yesterday. Had a great day on Tuesday. Right? A little bit challenging on Monday this week, but that's all right. Here we are Thursday morning. 300 ticks again for the third time this week. We'll talk about the trades we took, though. Before I do that, though, I want to remind you guys, I'm posting my Auto Traders results every day right now. We have a fully automated trading system. Our Auto Trader is making great money right now every day. Low risk reward, nice low drawdowns. I'm posting those results every day on our blog, and the results are right below this video. If you click on that link that says review the automated trading software results, you guys will be taken to our other page here so you can see what the results were today. All right, we caught a nice big winner though off the lows on the gold today around 11 o'clock. If you guys were in the room this morning, we talked about that one live, watching that Auto Trader make some money for us while we're doing other things, right? Maybe Christmas shopping, right? Or shopping for Festivus. I'm joking around with you guys. Beginners training tomorrow, right? Friday morning, beginners training. Don't forget, tomorrow morning, 11 o'clock Eastern time. Want to make sure you guys bring your friends, right? Bring whoever you want, really, right? Bring your guests with you, bring your questions, and we'll see, of course, if we can answer all those beginners questions tomorrow morning on Friday morning. Let's see what we did today here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 trades. Now we took 17 trades on Tuesday and earned $3,800. We took 15 trades yesterday and earned $3,900. We took 14 trades this morning and made $3,100 USD. That's 3 days this week, over 300 ticks. $11,000 this week alone, guys. 11K this week alone brings our monthly total now to 15,000. Yearly total just shy of 245,000, guys. We did 34,000 in October. We did 44,000 in November, and now here we are, 15,000 strong here in the month of December. 312 ticks. You can see here we had crude at the beginning, crude at the end. Now it's kind of funny because we began our day right buying the break of the highs on crude, and then quickly read the tape and realized we were on the wrong side of the market, came back down. We then ended up selling the crude later on in the morning. As you can see, though, the bulk of the trades we took today, they were on gold. Look at all the waves, right? Breaker pattern, wave, wave, wave. Look at all the wave patterns. Now, wave patterns, right? Basic structure is buying a pullback or selling a retracement, right? So the wave pattern works best when you're at the highs or the lows. And that's exactly where the gold was today, right? Coming off those highs from late last week. We're at the range lows today. And of course, what we're going to do is, right, we came up off those lows, broke the highs, but instead of buying the highs, I'm going to buy the pullback, right? Sell the retracement. So we had wave patterns, right, on gold here today, made us a bunch of money today. So great job in the markets, right? Gold and crude. Now, I focused on gold and crude today, but we had a bunch of you guys that were also trading the euro this morning, right? Great job on the euro. Had that wave pattern, right? Hats off to you, Rob. Big day for our member Rob this morning, called that euro wave pattern short. Deb made some money in the euro this morning as well. We had Marco make some money in the euro. I know Mike was trading euro this morning. So we had a lot of clients this morning making money in the euro. All right, guys, remember, it doesn't matter what market you trade. I focus on the gold and crude, but we're always watching Russell, S&P, euro, pound, right, Aussie. It doesn't matter what you trade. It doesn't matter how big your account is. It doesn't matter your level of experience. Right, guys? Anything goes, right? I'll trade whatever's moving, and we use simple patterns and simple rules to accomplish these results. So 300 ticks, third time this week. And what happened today, though? Well, the first hour was great. Then we got pretty slow from 9 to 10. And then once again, we see the action pick up at the end of the morning, right? We talked about this morning, guys. We've seen this for the past 6 weeks. It's been great price action from 8 to 9, and then from 9 until the last news event, it's been real choppy. So basically what's happening is pre-market traders are getting in and getting their money early. Then we've got the 9:30 US Open, you've got 10 o'clock news, 10:30 news, and those news events appear to be the reason why people are waiting until after the news to then make their bets on where the market's going. So we've really picked up on this now, and now we're expecting this dead zone right after 9 o'clock. Now, I'm sure a little bit of this has to do with the fact it's the end of the year. So a lot of people right now are looking for excuses to get out from behind their desks and, do whatever it is they're doing for the holiday season, right? So a little bit of this is seasonal. Now, today we had the dollar and inside day. We talked about the dollar this morning, and we knew being an inside day, we want to be careful. We had 8:30 jobless claims this morning. Every Thursday morning we have jobless claims, and this morning they did nothing. Right, jobless claims in pretty much came in as expected, a little bit lower than expected, but pretty much within range. And of course, at 10 o'clock, right, the news. Of course, at 10 o'clock we had gold and crude at the highs. At 10 o'clock, the news was bullish for the dollar, bringing things right back down. Right, we had, of course, 10 o'clock. We had nat gas at 10:30. We had our, what was it, 10 o'clock news? Can't remember what it is now. But the 10 o'clock news caused the market to drop, and we sold the highs. So 8:30 news was almost pointless. There was nothing that moved at 8:30. We had to wait until after 10 o'clock news, and then we were able to get some moves that were happening. We had a wedge pattern on gold. We ended up buying the breakout on gold. And crude, right, we were at the bottom of the price channel on crude. We waited for the price channel to get broken, and we then sold with a retracement. All right, we're not going to sell the lows. We're going to wait for the lows to get broken, wait for a retracement, and then sell that retracement. We did that, right, pretty much all day today, buying pullbacks, selling retracements. Now here's my dollar. As you guys can see, the dollar is sideways here this morning, but this is called an inside day. Now, why do we call it an inside day? We call it an inside day because you can see the range today is within the range from yesterday, right? We didn't make new highs, we didn't make new lows. And as you can see, we came down, we bounced off the lows here, we came up, we actually hit the highs today, and then came right back down and went sideways. Now, first of all, what do we know about this situation? Right? Inside day for one, be careful. Sideways day for two, be more careful. Right? Middle of the range, right? We were in the middle of this trading range. Middle of the range, be careful. Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3 reasons right there we knew this morning could be a disaster waiting to happen. So we saw the dollar right away. The dollar told us right away, be careful. So right off the bat now, I'm now taking profit aggressively. I'm now looking for double confirmation. I'm now possibly trading smaller size. I'm not taking the aggressive trades that I may take later on this morning once I get some feedback, right? So I'm looking at the dollar. The dollar says, Joe, be careful out there. Right? Middle of the range, inside day, sideways market, right? Then look at the ATR. The ATR was horrible. Speed was very slow this morning, and this told us be careful. Now remember, this can all change, but this is what was happening at 8 o'clock this morning. So at 8 o'clock this morning, how did I react to this? By, of course, being aggressive with taking profit. I was not waiting for those big runners today. Right? That was one thing that we noticed right away. Choppy, slow, sideways dollar. You're not going to get those big moves. So place a conservative target and take that target. Right? That's the biggest thing. And of course, also knowing that we're going sideways here right now, I also know I'm going to be given the opportunity to buy or sell on the markets I'm trading. Right? If the dollar was rising today, right, upward trend, I'd be looking for the sell side to be the better side on gold, crude, euro, Russell, pretty much anything you want to trade. If the dollar is going sideways, though, I now know there isn't going to be a bias, right? There won't be a long or a short bias. I'm going to buy the lows, sell the highs, right? Avoid the middle. All right, guys, that's the dollar talking to us this morning. So the dollar gave me a real great heads up on what to expect. Let's start with gold today. Now, gold was one of our big moves of the morning here. But we really didn't get that much out of the market. In fact, you're going to see here in a moment, the gold didn't do very much, but we made a lot of money off of it. So here's my gold. Now, of course, right off the bat, up top here, guys, you've got the blue trend lines. These are price channels. Okay, the blue trend lines are price channels. So where do you see us right now? At the low of the price channel. Okay, make note of that. At the low of the price channel. Right? I'm at the low of the channel. Right? Now, the green line here, this green line is a simple trend line that I drew from the highs, right, down to this most recent swing high. Okay? So now what do you see? I now see a wedge.